Everyone, welcome you all to today's topic of class 6, the three form of verbs. My dear student, please open page number 92. Today we'll be talking about the three forms of verb. First of all, what is verb? As we all know, the action words is called verbs, right? So three form of verbs. What is this three form of verb? Now let me take you closer to the book. That is, you can see here in red mark, it is written the three form of verb is one is present tense, the other one is past tense, and the third one is past participle. Present tense means the first form or the V1 we can say. Past tense means the second form, that is V2, and the third form is past participle. Okay, so here now let us move that verbs is divided into two classes. What are they? Strong verbs and weak verb. What is this strong verb and weak verb? You can see here the definition that strong verbs forms the past tense and past participle by changing the inside vowel of the present tense. That means the root word or the main word is V1. Like you can see here, ring. Here in strong verb, it is saying that the past tense and the past participle is known as strong verbs, or we can say we can change the inside vowel. Inside vowel means you can see here the root word is R-I-N-G, ring. Ring. So vowel, here vowel is I. So here in the definition it is said that by changing the inside vowel of the present tense. This is present tense, ring. So the vowel we need to change it into by putting it, by adding here instead of I, we add here A. It become rang. That is ring, rang and rung. So again we are changing into another vowel, that is RU. So here I in the first form is added here, that is the root word ring. Then it changes into V2, that is verb 2, that is past tense rang, and past participle is rung. Similarly here you can see the word sing, sang, sung. So the inside vowel I is changed into A and U. Here another some examples are there, that is wear, wore, worn, blow, blew and blown. So this is all this example of what talk about the weak verbs. What is this weak verb? Weak verb form the past tense and the past participle by adding D or ED or T to it. Now it's a confusion that where we will add D, ED and T. You can see here the weak form. First of all, keep in mind that the past tense and the past participle is called as weak verbs, right? So you can see the root word here, die. So we are adding here D to it. It becomes died. Again, died. So die, died, died. Now again, built. Built here instead of D, we are adding T to it. It becomes built, right? Here again, there is some more examples, that is flee, fled. We are adding D to it. And lose, lost, lost. So this is all about strong verbs and weak verbs. So strong verb means the present or the past participle verb is called strong verb, where we change the inside vowel of the present tense. Whereas weak verbs is the past participle and the past tense, where we add D or ED or T. Now let us move to some more examples. My dear kids, let us look to this photocopy, right? So you can see here in most case we add ED. You can see here present is written fill, filled, kill, killed, walk, walked, talk and talked. Now let us see where we use S, sh or ch sound. Where it comes at the end, we add ed to it, like miss. Again, sound is produced at the end. There is double S at the end and the sound is like miss. So in that case, we add ed, that is missed. So just remember some of the examples like hish. What is this last sound? Hish. Again, so we add here ed to it. Now like kiss, so we add here ed. Wash, sh. Again we add ed to it. Enrich, ch. Ch sound, again ch. So we add here ed, that is enriched. Wash, that is again washed, right? So again here you can see some more examples where we can add d at the end. So here you can see with words ending in e, we add d. So at the end, if you find the letter or the alphabet e, we add d to it, like care, cared, close, closed, agree, agreed, tie, tired, lie, lied. So here I hope it's clear. The words ending at E, we will add there D. Now let us see where we add IED to the consonant sound Y, where it ends with Y. So the words ending in Y replace consonant Y with ID. That means carry. Here at the end you can find Y to it. So here we will add IED. That is carry, carrot, marry, married, cry, cried, try, tried, fry, fried, bury, buried, hooray, hurried, right? So in this way, this we change where there is at the end Y, we change it into IED. The words end with E, we add D, and the word sh, ch, and s, if it ends, then we add ed to it. So in this way, this is all about the three form of verbs where it is weak verb. We talk about weak verbs and strong verbs. If you still feel any of the doubt coming in this topic, then please feel free to call me. So thank you all. Have a nice day.